Here's a glass block with the elastomeric flashing on there. You can see how the sills slope away so the water will run away from the window. You never want the water running back towards the window. And here's the windows with the flashing. Again, we'll address that with some foam and make sure we slope that water away from that window. On the door. Again, you want to make sure the upper one laps over the sides and the sides lap over the bottom. Of course, on the door you don't have a bottom. Typically we don't set the doors this early, but the homeowner wanted to get this parapets sealed in. You don't need a 5R fire rated, bug proof, soundproof R40 parapet. You just take the block to ceiling height and then address that with some tar paper and foam and chicken wire. You'll see it when we get a view of the porch with the French doors, clear story windows. And this is the east side of the building. See the 2-story over there, and another view from the east side. Again, there'll be wrought iron railing going between those EF block posts, and then you see the vigas on top. Here's a shot of that garage door backing I was talking about. This is what we're going to hang the garage doors on. Run them up and hold them down about 3/4 of an inch from the top so the drywall will slide in there. And then you want a block in the middle. That's for the garage door opener. And here's those arch openings I talked about earlier. I'll go upstairs, and there's 2 bedrooms and a bath up here. See the glass block window in the closet here, just so you don't have to turn the light on every time you go in the closet. We got this little window up here. You can open the French doors here and then get a little bit of a breeze flowing through here. Going up the patio now. Got an incredible view here of the valley. Really, really nice. This is what it looks like from the top. By doing the parapets out of wood, it makes it easier for the roofer and the stucco guy to get their flashing and everything on there. Got the tile delivered. We're going to be stacking it up on the roof. They're spraying the elastomeric coating on, putting the little sprinkles on there. Finish it up. That's a elastomeric reflective paint. Pretty much makes it bulletproof there. Looks like rock hard when they get it done. Getting it all wrapped up. Marshall's got the lath over the stick frame. Roofer's got his flashing in. Ready for stucco. Okay, getting the stucco on now, the finish coat. Got the porch painted. Got this side all stuccoed. Marshall really does a nice job with that stucco. It's looking good. It's all insulated. They're going to stock the drywall tomorrow. I love that white and red. It really looks good together. Marshall did a beautiful job on the synthetic stucco. Got the R30 on the garage ceiling. Remember, this is a 2 bedrooms upstairs and a bath above this, and then that's the porch over there outside that beam. We got the R38 in the ceiling, and then we have an 1.25 inch of foam on that. So that's pushing up around about an R45, 46. That'll match the EF block walls. This is some backing we put in here for the flat screen TV. And then we put some backing. We furred out this little pantry here to make sure we got something to put the shelves to. So we're not looking for some backing to put the shelves in the pantry. And then you can see the bucking on the windows, so we'll have plenty to nail to there for the drywall and the corner bead. You can see the gable ends there got R40 or R38. The ceiling's R38. This is interesting. He's got on-demand hot water hooked up to a solar, so the solar will preheat it, and then it'll go through the on-demand and boost it up if needed to get it to the temperature. Plumbing for the double vanity. There's a fireplace there. This is the walk deck here. Really looks nice. We put some studs in the EF block So he has something to tie the wrought iron to. He's putting a blotch method on this one. You just put some blotches of joint compound, and then he's going to throw it up here. Well, he just hits it there, and it creates a vacuum, and then it'll stay up there. The substrate is so good on the EF block, and then he'll get up there and nail to the top plate. And that's just that easy, gluing drywall to EF block. He's putting some mud on this one. They've been gluing drywall to concrete block for 50 years. This is no different. It's just better because of the that way they joint compound. They got all this hung here. Remember, we got that backing there for the TV. Like I said, they've been gluing drywall to masonry for 50 years. The EF block just makes it easier because of the substrate. We're getting it taped now. All we got to do is tape the joints on the EF block because there's no screws in there. You can see in here where they're taping the frame walls here in the middle.